The vision for our program is to capture seniors in high school that maybe don't have a solid plan of what they want to do after they graduate, and bring those students in and give them some job training and some career prospects, so that when they do graduate, they have a plan and there's a path forward for them to be successful.
We were facing an employment crisis, trying to find people to work. And we knew we weren't going to be able to accomplish that in real time. But if we put forth the projected effort toward the high school level, we knew in about 3 or 4 years, we would have seniors come out. We would have great potential for new hires. And our first year of graduates, we had 100% job placement. It wasn't just with our company. We wanted it to be more of an economy spread for other companies as well. So we had graduates going to multiple companies, not just our own. Every year since then here at Toombs County, we've had 100% job placement for every graduate.
When you have industry partners that are willing to partner alongside CAT and alongside the students, and it makes a whole lot better learning process.